Welcome back.
Our topic today is changing the subject of a formula. We can use algebra to change the subject of the formula. Rearranging formula is similar to solving an equation. We must do the same to both sides in order to keep the equation balanced. Example 1. Make x the subject of the formula y equals to 4x plus 3. Solution. Y is the subject of the equation because he stands alone on one side. To make x the subject of the equation means let s stand alone on one side. If this must be, 4 and 3 must move over to the other hand side. To move plus 3 to the other side of the equation, subtract 3 from both sides. Plus 3 minus 3 gives 0. Hence, our new equation becomes y minus 3 equals 4x. Now, 4 is the coefficient of x. If x must stand alone, then 4 must move over to the other side. To do this, divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4 divided into 4x gives x. Therefore, the final equation becomes x equals y minus 3 all over 4. Example 2. Make x the subject of the equation y equals 2 minus 5x. Solution. To make x the subject of the equation, follow the same step. Minus 2 will move over to the other side. To do this, add 2 to both sides of the equation. Minus 2 plus 2 gives 0. Hence, our new equation becomes y plus 2 equals 5x. The coefficient of x is 5. To move 5 to the other side, divide both sides of the equation by 5. 5 divided into 5x gives x. Our final equation becomes x equals y plus 2 all over 5. Let's take a break. Please stay online. I'll be right back.
Welcome back.
Make R the subject of the formula I equals P RT all over 100. Solution. To make R the subject of the formula I equals P RT all over 100. Step 1. Divide both sides of the formula by the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator is 100. Therefore, multiplying both sides by 100, we have that 100 times I equals 100 times PRT all over 100. 100 cancels out 100. 100 times I gives 100I. Therefore, our new equation becomes 100I equals PRT. Step 2. Divide both sides of the formula by PT so that R can stand alone. PT cancels out PT. Therefore, our answer becomes R equals 100I all over PT. Make R the subject of the formula. V equals 1 over 3 pi R square H. Solution. To make R the subject of the formula, V equals 1 over 3 pi R square H. To clear fraction, divide both sides of the formula by the LCM of the denominator. The denominator of the formula is 3, and the LCM of 3 is 3. Now multiplying both sides of the formula by 3, we have that 3 times v equals 3 times 1 over 3 pi r square h. 3 cancels out 3. 3 times v gives 3v. Hence, we write that 3v equals pi r square h. Divide both sides of the formula by pi h so that r square can stand alone. Pi h cancels out pi h. Our new equation becomes 3v all over pi h equals r square. Step 3. To take away the square of r, take the square root of both sides. Square root of r square is r. Hence, our answer becomes square root of 3v all over pi h equals r. Let's take a break. Please stay online. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Make x the subject of the formula. Root 2x equals a. Step 1. To remove square root, square both sides of the formula. The square root of 2x squared is 2x. Our new equation becomes 2x equals a squared. Now, the coefficient of x is 2. To remove the coefficient of x so that x can stand alone, divide both sides of the formula by 2. 2 cancels out 2. The answer is x equals a squared over 2.